Hello, what we're going to do in this video is change a logarithm that's base 2 and change that into an expression of logarithms that are the natural log. So there's a couple things I want to go over. So first of all, the natural logarithm function is y equals ln x, which means log base e of x, where e is a constant, which is around 2.7. I mean, it's an irrational number, so it goes on forever. And this is the go-to. This is the standard one in science and math and business, I think, is the common log. But maybe in computer science they use log base too. But anyway, let's talk about how you can take something that starts off in log base 2 and write it into something with a natural log. So we have the change of base formula. And when I write the change of base formula, I'm going to be specifically talking about changing to base e, ln. So it's not really actually the overall general formula. But if I have a base, log base a of x, I can write that as ln x over ln a. So maybe I should say in general, just to, I don't know if you want to get the whole thing. In general, log base a of x can be written as log base b of x over log base b of a. But that's just in general. But I'm focusing on if I want to change this whole thing into a natural log. Okay, so for this problem, it's way shorter when you're actually doing the problem. If I have log base 2 of 5, that becomes, or can be written as ln 5 over ln 2. So let's just make sure we get all that stuff there. So see this 2, the base, ends up in the denominator as ln 2. And then this 5, well, we have ln 5. Okay, did that coloring help? But that's your answer. That's the answer that's our final answer. And so once you understand how to do it, it's not really a calculation that's made. It's just, you just write it more or less. It sort of makes it look like this. It's not clear what the answer in this problem is. So let me highlight it even better. Get some good highlighting here. And end that. This one, maybe I'll take away the fill highlight so it doesn't stand out. So that's our answer right there. Okay, why would you, in practical terms, why do you even need to do that? Well, for one thing, your calculator most likely has a natural log button, but not a log base 2 button, or maybe. But this is really important for other things when you're moving along in math, doing some things with logarithms. The change of base formulas and turning everything into natural log. In calculus, the natural log is way more convenient to work with. All righty, that's all.